Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna and I welcome you to my channel. What we are making today special. You know what it is? It's a ice cream. Who doesn't like ice cream? My daughter loves ice cream, so I always invent new recipes in that. So today I came up with vegetable ice cream. Like it sounds weird, but trust me, it's going to be awesome and delicious. So what we are going to do is today we can make a beetroot. This is a beetroot ice cream or a carrot ice cream, or you can even try out other vegetable also how it will turn out. But the basic ingredients you need only I have taken here only 4 items. 4 items is enough, but later on like you can experiment adding some more or removing something like that. Okay, let's start how to make this beautiful delicious vegetable ice cream. Okay, let's see what all the ingredients we require for this. So for this ice cream we require only these 4 ingredients. See, these 4 ingredients. Okay, vegetable you can take either this or that. So okay, for this the main ingredient is cashews. Cashews I have overnight soaked it, so it's a soaked one. So this is the main ingredient. Cashews only gives you that ice cream texture. And this is beetroot I have taken. So if you don't like this color or taste other things, you can go for any other vegetable. So for this I have taken beetroot. I have chopped it, and this is carrot. Okay, so both I am showing here, but you can take any one. So this is jaggery powder and this is vanilla bean powder. So what you can do is you can take vanilla essence or vanilla bean direct one, original one, real one. So you can use that one. This is a pure vanilla powder. So I am using this. So think that, see, when you want to make an ice cream, always remember there should be a base, and for taste, flavor. Okay, this one is for taste. Any vegetables you can take, any fruits you can take, right? And for sweetener, I have taken jaggery. Even you can shift to dates if you want to more healthier version. So this is a essence like vanilla, like it will give you a flavoring, right? For flavoring we have used this. So for making this ice cream there is some tricks you have to use. So what is those tricks? We are not using jaggery directly in the mixer grinder. So what we are making is jaggery syrup. We are making jaggery syrup. Take a jaggery, add to the pan. We have added jaggery here. So if I have taken a half cup, quarter cup I am taking water, and just let it boil, and it will become a little thick, then that is enough. So we are not going to make this syrup, use this syrup full. So we will see the taste according to the sweet taste. How much you want, that much you can use. So let it boil, this one. So now it's melting. You can see the thickness also. I let it be little thicker one, so I'm just boiling little more. Okay, now it's done. For me, I think this is fine. So its jaggery is also melted everything properly. So you can make it boil it till 1 string or 2 string. Don't go for 3 string. Okay. Okay, this is done. We will switch off the flame and let it be cool. Okay, we have to keep it in a side. Now what we can do is we can do this mixer grinder. So I have taken here mixer grinder, and I am going to add these carrots. So I have added this carrot, and now we will grind this into smooth paste. So now we have grinded this carrot, okay, but for this what I have done is I have added water. Without that it won't grind. So I have added little water. How much you require, you feel like that much you add, and make it fine puree. Okay, how much is possible, that much. So now what we are going to do is we will transfer this to a bowl. For this we have taken here strainer and just strain it. Just strain this one. So no need to press more, like how much is possible that much you can squeeze. with the help of spoon. So we got this much water, carrot water. So we have to heat this. The raw taste is not that good for ice cream. So we are just boiling this to remove that rawness. So the things we got ready. So what we have done, cashews we have soaked it, right? And we got the puree of carrot and beetroot, and we have boiled it. We have strained it and boiled it. So everything got ready. Now just we have to grind the things all together. So in that also I will tell how to do step by step. So we will add only cashews and vanilla and jaggery beginning. So we will grind that into smooth paste. Then we will add the carrot or the beetroot juice. Okay, let's start. So now we will add these cashews. Next, vanilla. So 1/8 teaspoon. So now we will add jaggery syrup. How much sweet you want, you can add that much. So half of the cup I have used, and remaining half I have left. Let's see how much sweet it will come. Now we will grind only these 3 ingredients. So this is the consistency. See, can you see this texture? It's a smooth paste, right? I didn't add any water, but still you can grind it, right? So now it is dark in color, right? Brown, because we have added jaggery syrup. That's the reason. So now we will add any one of this. So you can take either beetroot or carrot. So I wanted to taste that how it will come for beetroot or carrot. So I'm just removing one scoop. Okay, this is for carrot one. I will add carrot juice. So for this mixer grinder, I'm going to add this beetroot one. So now we will add this beetroot puree or water. Now we will grind this again. So the grinding part is done. Looks very delicious, so beautiful. Yeah. So now we will just pour that in a cup. So now the beetroot ice cream is ready. So I will keep this in a fridge. So you can just close the lid and you can just keep it there. So see, our ice cream is ready actually. So we will check how it turned out, and we have a special guest also today to taste this one. So we have a special guest. His name is Arun. He is my friend, and he is here to taste this ice cream, and he will let you know how the taste is and all. So here you go. This is ice cream, and you have to guess what all the ingredients has been added in this, and how's the taste.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So how is the taste?
Wow, it's very nice.
Very nice.
Delicious.
Did you like it, right?
I like it a lot.
Okay. So can you guess now what are the ingredients I have added? What ice cream is this?
So as per the flavor and the color what I'm seeing, I think it's a strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry. Okay. He thinks it's a strawberry. So what do you guys say? You know, right? You know the secret. So even they know the secret. I know the secret, but you didn't make out.
Yeah.
Actually, there is a vegetable inside.
Vegetable?
Yeah.
I cannot believe this.
You liked it?
I like it. I loved it a lot.
So people will believe that if it is
Definitely.
there, beetroot is there.
If you give them as an ice cream, they'll think it is strawberry ice cream.
Okay, they don't identify even the beetroot taste.
No.
Okay, there is one more ice cream. You can try this out. Okay, how is the taste first?
This is yummy.
Yummy.
Good.
Okay, wow.
There's a lot of dry fruits in it.
Yeah.
So I think it's badam and chocolate flavored ice cream.
Badam and chocolate. So both the ingredients are not there actually. Only the toppings I have added the badam. Yeah. It's a cashew and carrot.
Carrot.
Yeah. You didn't guess that also.
Not get this.
Oh my god. Okay, wow. Thank you so much for testing this out. And the taste is delicious. That is the main aspect. ice cream, exact ice cream taste, right? So he also gave the green signal. You also prepare this and let me know in the comment how it turned out and all. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for coming. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.